Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I hope you're doing very well. It's a pre-intermediate course, lesson 12. Это 12-й урок. Сегодня мы с вами поговорим about drinks. We'll talk about drinks. Okay, so how much is enough? We have a questionnaire here. I would like you to answer these questions in English, okay? What did you have to drink yesterday? Say at what time and how much. Here you can talk about what you drink, yeah? What you had it yesterday, for example, coffee or tea or water or mineral water, green tea, some soft drinks like Coke, Fanta, lemonade, and other drinks. And then you have questions here. What do you usually drink for breakfast? You can talk about that you have, for example, coffee for breakfast, yeah, black coffee, or coffee with milk and sugar, or tea, black tea, tea with milk and sugar. And then what do you have for the mid-morning? So mid-morning means at 10 o'clock, for example, or 11 o'clock, just before the lunchtime. Mid-afternoon, what do you have in the afternoon, like 3 or 4 o'clock? What do you have to drink with lunch and dinner? Most people drink water, or in Kazakhstan, people prefer to drink tea. In some European countries, people prefer to drink wine. And then we have a question, what do you usually drink before you go to bed? Some people have milk before they go to bed. Some people have some tea, for example, chamomile tea. What do you usually drink when you go out for a drink with friends? Here you can talk about alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. When you're celebrating something, it's the same, yeah? Some people prefer to have alcoholic or non-alcoholic drinks. So today we'll talk about how much water do you need? How much of liquids do we have to drink per day? And I want you to look at the quantifiers, yeah? How much is enough? This question is, сколько это достаточно? Да, в английском языке слово enough означает достаточное количество. So enough has a positive meaning, okay? Positive означает имеет положительное значение, то есть достаточно это положительное. We also have the word like too, okay? Too это когда слишком. Давайте посмотрим на разницу между too и enough. So we are going to talk about quantifiers. Quantifiers это слова, которые означают количество. У нас есть 4 основных слова, которые нам нужно знать. Это too much, too many, too и enough. For example, I'm very stressed today. I have too much work. My boss talks too much. Too much we usually use to talk about uncountable nouns, for example, coffee or time, or after a verb. Да? Too much у нас означает слишком много. Too much мы можем употребить с неисчисляемыми существительными, например, время, кофе, работа. Да? Работа у нас тоже неисчисляемая. Или после глаголов. Например, my boss talks too much. Да? Мой босс разговаривает слишком много. То есть too much может быть как прилагательным, так и наречием. Next, my diet is unhealthy. I eat too many cakes and sweets. The word too many we use with countable nouns, for example, cakes, people, toys, books, and so on. Okay, too many мы употребляем с исчисляемыми существительными, что означает слишком много. Да? Слишком много это всегда идет с исчисляемыми существительными. Okay? I don't want to go out tonight. I'm too tired. Use to an adjective. Окей? То есть, когда мы употребляем to, мы используем с ним прилагательное. Например, I'm too tired. Я слишком устал. Next word is enough. For example, do you eat enough vegetables? I don't drink enough water. We use enough before a noun to mean all that is necessary. Если мы посмотрим на эти предложения, слово enough мы ставим перед существительным. Nouns, vegetables, да? Vegetables, it's a noun, and we put enough before nouns. Okay? Next sentence, enough water. Water is a noun, and we put enough before nouns. Next example, Jane doesn't sleep enough. She's always tired. Use enough after a verb with no object. Здесь мы вставим enough после глагола. Не после существительного, а после глагола, потому что мы описываем глагол. Sleep enough. Ставим после глагола. She's always tired. Our fridge isn't big enough for a family of 5. I don't go to bed early enough during the week. Use enough after an adjective or adverb. Okay? Употребляем enough после прилагательного. After an adjective or an adverb. Или наречие. Например, I don't go to bed early enough. Да? Недостаточно рано. Очень важно запомнить порядок слов со словом enough. Да? То есть enough before a noun, enough after a verb, enough after an adjective or adverb. Let's look at the exercises. 5C, circle the correct form. For example, how much coffee do you drink? Coffee is uncountable. That's why we use much. Okay, next sentence. I eat chocolate. Chocolate is uncountable. That's why we use too much. I eat too much chocolate. Next, I eat too and crisps. Crisps, chipsy. I eat too much crisps. Uncountable. Number 3. Do you drink enough water? Yes, because water is noun and we use adjectives before nouns. Number 4. I can't come. I'm too busy. Yes, I'm too busy. Yes, we use too with an adjective, before an adjective. 5. This suitcase isn't big enough. Yes, big enough is only after adjective, not before adjective, but after adjective. This suitcase isn't big enough. 6. I worry too much. Yes, I worry too much. We describe a verb worry. Да, мы описываем слово worry, поэтому говорим too much. 7. You're always at home. You don't go out enough. Yes, after the verb. We use enough after the verb. 8. I don't eat enough vegetables. So before the noun. In exercise B, you can do it by stopping the video, by pausing the video, and putting these words too, too much, too many, and enough. Вы можете сделать это упражнение, остановив, нажать на паузу этого видео и сделать это упражнение. Обратите внимание на то, что вы будете описывать. Да? Это существительное или прилагательное или глагол. Всегда обращаем на это внимание. Сейчас мы перейдем на нашу платформу, где есть упражнения. Тема у нас 11. We have the listening part. You should listen and then complete the sentences. Next task is to read the text. Yeah, the text is about liquids, something that we drink, drinks. Are they really good and bad? You should read this text about alcohol, about coffee, juice, and answer these 6 questions. Okay? And then after that, you have a speaking task where you can write your answers. Okay? You can write your answers at the end of this task. So look at the pictures, tell your opinions. Yeah, you can see 2 pictures here, one with fresh juices, the other one is with fizzy drinks and the drinks which may not be very healthy. Yeah, you have to answer this question. What drinks do you think are delicious and healthy? Next is, which one do you buy often? Why do people buy carbonated drinks? And what drinks do you recommend? Carbonated drinks, they are fizzy drinks, или напитки с газом и сахаром. Их называют carbonated drinks. So you can do this exercise by also reading the text and answering the text here, answering the questions. Next task we have is okay, this is the listening. You have to listen and answer. It's the first exercise. Then we have homework part, where you have different kind of exercises to practice enough, yes. And please read all these questions before you answer very carefully, yeah, because in one of these tasks you have to write an essay, good and bad habits. It may not be a full essay because you may just answer these questions and write your answers here, okay? There's also a video, okay? And the video, and after the video we have some questions here. I would like you to answer these questions by speaking in English, okay? You can record your voice and send this audio file to me, okay? By pressing this button, выбрать файл. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. Have a good day, and I hope you participate in our live lessons. See you the next time. Goodbye.